In one of our previous episodes, we have presented the method of preparing thin poha chuda. In this episode, we wish to share an equally exciting, easy, and a storable snack made out of thick poha. We can call this tasty snack as fried masala rice flakes. Without any further ado, let us learn to prepare this snack. And by the way, welcome to our channel Ooru, Oota, Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. First, to fry the poha, let us heat some oil. And the next preparation is obviously to have our 250 grams of thick poha ready. Once we have the oil on the stove top and the poha ready, the next equipment that we need is poha jara. Because of its concealed mesh, it is very easy to fry the poha with this. The link for this is given in the description. Here the oil is hot and it is time to fry the poha a little by little. An important point to keep in the mind is to make sure that the oil is quite hot. If the oil is not hot enough, then the poha absorbs too much oil and it becomes soggy. Once we have fried the complete portion of thick poha, it is time for our next step, and that is to fry the groundnuts. Here we have taken a little bit of oil in a small kadai, and to this we are adding about quarter cup or 60 grams of groundnuts. It is important to fry these groundnuts on a medium flame till they turn golden in color. Once they have changed the color, let us transfer this into a different bowl. The next in the list for frying is 60 grams of sliced dry coconut. Once the added dry coconut turn golden in color, let us take them out and transfer them to a different bowl. And then follows our next ingredient, and that is 20 grams of curry leaves or 2 fistful of curry leaves. Once these have become crispy and crunchy, let us take them out, drain it thoroughly and transfer them to a different bowl. And the final ingredient to deep fry is 40 grams of finely chopped garlic. An important point to keep in the mind while frying the garlic is to maintain a high flame. If the flame is low, the garlic will tend to become bitter and spoil the recipe. And by the way, once these turn golden in color, let us drain the oil and transfer them to a bowl. And it is already the next stage of preparing our fried masala rice flakes. So let us start by adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder onto the fried rice flakes. Next in the list is a healthy dose of quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. After adding the red chilli powder and the turmeric, let us start adding our fried ingredients, that is groundnuts, and then goes our crispy crunchy curry leaves, after which we have our golden fried dry coconut and garlic. And now it is time for king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per our taste, but all you need is a little salt. And the final ingredient is 2 teaspoons of sugar. After adding the sugar, all we need to do is to mix all these perfectly fried ingredients thoroughly. As you have rightly observed, preparing this snack is not just easy, but also the ingredients used are simple and easily available. Having said that, our easy, tasty, crispy, crunchy masala fried rice flakes is ready. We request you to prepare this at your home and enjoy this with your family. And if you liked the episode, don't forget to click the like button and to share it with your friends. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.